Hi ladies, here is a recap of the main exercises we covered in week 2 of your Pilates block. Starting off in a rest position with your head on your cushions and your knees bent. Running through our 5 key elements, our head and neck position, shoulder blades down, rib cage soft, low back in neutral and centering with the abdominals. Starting with one leg stretch. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, engage and slide one leg away. Inhale to draw it back in, slide in. Exhale, center and glide. Inhale, back in. So working through alternate legs. Exhaling as the leg moves away. Inhaling as it comes back in. Work on that control, trying to stay still in the centre as you lengthen the legs away. You can take that up to the next level if you feel comfortable to. Exhale and float one leg up into tabletop using the tummy. Inhale from here and exhale to lengthen and lower. Inhale, return. Keep on working on the same leg 5 or 6 times. Exhale to lower. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Only moving as far as you're comfortable to. And if this feels too much, then go back to sliding along the floor. Balancing up on each side. Exhale to lower. Inhale, prepare. Exhale into hip twist, one knee opening up. Inhale to the centre. Other knee stays totally still. We're centering, holding that tray of drinks across the pelvis with hip twist. Inhale, not a big movement, a controlled movement. Hip twist 2 is more of a stretch. So as you exhale, take the legs away as far as comfortable, allowing your back to rotate. Don't push into any pain and turn your head the opposite way from your knees. Inhale, hold. Exhale, pull your tummy in, all the way across to the other side. Inhale, hold. Exhale, pull your tummy in. And just let your knees gently rotate to the side, allowing your head to turn the opposite way. This is a nice stretch. If your back's feeling a bit stiff, it should certainly not feel painful. We also covered shoulder bridge again, taking the cushions away. Walk your heels in a little bit closer. Inhale to prepare and exhale, roll back into the mat. Coming up as far as you feel comfortable to, no further than your shoulder blades, and keeping the back from overarching. Inhale, hold, and exhale to lower. Pushing the legs into the mat, working through the thighs, working through your bottom, working through your tummy. Inhale to hold, just engages those muscle fibers. That's shoulder bridge. Double leg stretch, we take our cushions back and we can combine the leg movements we did earlier with one leg stretch, that's the dog. We're taking the arms over as the leg moves forwards, inhale as the leg moves in. And do alternate legs. Exhaling. Inhaling. Focus on keeping that tray of drinks still across the front of the pelvis. And as your arms go back, make sure your rib cage isn't arching or lifting off of the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale with double leg stretch. Coming into side lying, we introduced arm opening, so our head's at the front of the cushions, palms together, knees together. Inhale, prepare, and exhale, take the arm up, turning the body. Inhale, hold, and exhale, bring it back down again. Keeping your shoulder blade pulled down your back. Inhale, exhale. And again, only moving as far as you feel comfortable to go. Keeping your hand in line with the shoulder. This should feel like a nice stretch through the upper back. And whatever you do on one side, make sure you balance it up on the other side. If one side feels tighter, then you could always do a bit more to that tight side. I'll do one more because it feels really nice. We also worked on climb with our knees bent, our heels in line with hips, hands on the mat, taking the top knee up and down. We want to maintain our waist with this one. Exhale up, tummy in and down. Revisit the head and shoulder position. Working the lateral hip muscles. And again, whatever you do on one side, balance it up on the other side. It doesn't take long before these muscles start to fatigue and feel quite tired. So just work within your own capabilities here. Coming up onto all fours, having our hands underneath our shoulders and our knees underneath our hips. We're going to make sure that our back is not sagging down or arching up. We've got a nice neutral spine position with our head in line with the rest of the spine. Lengthening one leg away and the opposite arm forwards. Back to centre. Lengthen away and back to centre. Now, if you feel quite comfortable with those movements, then the next step is to lift your hand and foot off the floor. And again, height's not important. It's about being able to control the movement. And this is our swimming exercise. And we're going to come back to this in our next class. Coming up from here, I'm just going to take my hands in towards my feet, keep my knees bent, and just unroll the spine back up again to standing. Okay, any questions about any of them, just give me a shout and I will see you next week.